Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the pentatonic scale. If you remember in my last video, well, not my exact last one, but a couple back, penta is 5, so this is any 5-note scale. Now, it really could be anything. So, there's a typical pattern used with pentatonic scales, the recognized ones. So, really, any pentatonic scales you'll see are typically on these black keys. Because there's 5 of them in a scale, in an octave, so that's really convenient. And almost any pentatonic scale you will see will use these keys, like I just said. I'm just repeating myself. So I'm going to be going over the major pentatonic scale. Now, what is the major pentatonic scale? Well, it would be G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, and E flat. These are assigned to the black keys of the keyboard. How would this scale be played? That's the major pentatonic scale. Now, we can say these are the notes, but we could also raise it up a half step and have G, A, B, D, and E. It doesn't always have to be on the black keys, but the intervals derive from the black keys, so. Yeah. Alright, so as I was trying to say, there's consistent steps between each note. What are the steps? Well, these pentatonic scales we'll be talking about are always they always consist of a whole plus a half note, half step, and whole steps. So we either have 3 half steps or 2 half steps. 3 semitones or 2 semitones. So the intervals here are whole, whole, whole plus half, whole, and then back to the beginning, we have whole plus half. So here's the pattern. Whole, whole, whole plus half, whole, whole plus half. So we're starting on G, whole, 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 whole plus a half is 3, so then a whole, and then whole plus half, which we can't go that far. So basically, and I stop it at this one right here, and then just go back down this direction. But you don't have to, you can keep going up the scale. For example, see what I'm saying? But basically, these are the patterns. This is the pattern to get back to the tonic, and that is the major pentatonic scale. Now, a lot of people, instead of thinking of these whole step, half step patterns, they will think of it differently. They'll think of it as taking a major scale, we have the tonic, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, octave. And basically what we're going to do is, if we are on F sharp major scale, we go to, so that's the tonic, 2nd, 3rd, we're going to erase the 4th, so basically just get rid of the 4th, 5th, 6th, get rid of the 7th, and we are back to where we started. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, octave. So, what would this be in a C major scale? It would be C, D, E, G, A, and C. Make sense? So all we're really doing is getting rid of the 4th, getting rid of that, and getting rid of the 7th. So if we're in the key of G, G, F, F, what am I thinking? G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're going to get rid of the F sharp, and we're going to get rid of the C. So now we would have Pretty cool. So that is the major pentatonic scale. See you in the next video.